can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has been kind to the cryptocurrency market with altcoins pumping front, left, and center. But right now, the world is in chaos. Right now, the US is in full-fledged war against Iran, Israel, and a whole lot of countries in the Middle East. How will that affect the price of Bitcoin over the next 7 days? How will that affect the cryptocurrency market? We look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, still trading below $2,000. We have been consolidating around that $2,000 level since early February. We'll take a look at Bitcoin, also the king of the cryptocurrency market. We're on the edge right now. Will Bitcoin dump sharply towards $40,000? Are we going to see a reversal back? Hopefully towards $80,000, $90,000, and $100,000. Sentiment is still down in the cryptocurrency market. Even though the altcoin season indexes, right now we're on an altcoin month. Altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin over the last 1 month. We'll talk about the meme coin market, talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. The last 3 weeks has seen crazy levels of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. This is the lowest level of extreme fear we have seen recorded on the crypto fear and greed index over a month period. We have not seen the fear and greed index leave the 20 level over the last 28 days. We have been stuck under extreme fear. Market participants are scared. The world is in a lot of uncertainty right now. But guys, historically, that has been a good time to buy. Historically, that has been when millionaires are made. Millionaires are made deep in the bear market. Millionaires are made when the vibes is down bad. Because guys, when we start pumping, when everywhere starts turning very greedy, when the vibes are coming back, when we see the fear and greed index starts getting into extreme greed, that's where you need to sell. That's where you need to be singing kumbaya, not singing we are going to the moon. If you look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, still below $2,000. We have seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,000. And don't be shocked, guys, when that bounce comes, Ethereum will be a coin to watch out for. Ethereum is the second largest altcoin we have in the cryptocurrency market. This crash has devastated it. Since August of 2025, I've seen Ethereum crashing. We have seen it lose around 64% of its value. There's always that possibility that we can go lower, but as far as Ethereum has not broken below that April 2025 low, which is around $1,395, then there's always a chance we can pump to higher prices. But right now, we've not pumped to higher prices. Right now, we're still meandering, even though we have seen precious metals have a bounce back. Precious metals like silver and gold, they had a crash some few weeks ago. They had a huge drawdown after that parabolic blow off top. And right now, they're looking like they're having a sweet retracement. Will they set new all-time highs? Only time will tell. Right now, silver trades for $94. Gold trades for around $5,377. Moving to Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin trades below $70,000. Bitcoin has been stuck at the $66,000 region over the last 4 to 5 weeks. Now, it might look crazy. Everything might look, all hope might look lost for Bitcoin. But guys, we need to put in our thinking cap. We need to put in our big boy hat and realize that Bitcoin from all-time highs is just down around 46%. And historically, a 46% jump for Bitcoin is nothing to write home about. If you go back in time to Bitcoin's price history, you'll see that Bitcoin has had major crashes in the past. Every major crash in the past Bitcoin has had eventually led to it pumping aggressively to higher prices. So I don't think this time will be different. All dumps in the past have eventually led to pumps. I don't think this time will be different. I think Bitcoin is just coming back to test the previous all-time highs. If you look at what Bitcoin has done from a big picture perspective, saw Bitcoin setting all-time highs in 2021 around $69,000, dumped to goblin town, went to that $69,000, consolidated, pump above it. Right now it's coming back to test it. Don't be shocked to see Bitcoin making one more move to the upside. My base case scenario has been at least we get to 702 retracement that will see Bitcoin reaching the $100,000 level. Worst case scenario, that's the 702 retracement. Best case scenario, we see Bitcoin pumping to new all-time highs against all expectations. Right now, a lot of market participants have resigned to the fact that we're deep in the bear market. I don't agree with that. I don't think we're in a bear market. I think we're just in a bull trap before the final pump to the moon. It's always very funny to see that anytime we're in the market, we're always tending towards disaster, we're always tending towards crash, we're always tending towards pessimism. But the right move is to be optimistic when other market participants are pessimistic, and to be pessimistic when they're optimistic. And the last 1 month has given us ample opportunity to buy altcoins, to buy Bitcoin, ample opportunity to study the markets. That's what you want to do, guys. You want to be a student of the game, you want to play the game, and once you play the game rewards you eventually. All you have to do is play by the rules. And if you look at total cryptocurrency market cap, which sits around $2.27 trillion, assuming Bitcoin is going to make a move, you expect total crypto market cap to also make a move, and my best case scenario will be us setting new all-time highs, but worst case scenario should see us having a retracement. First, the $3.25 trillion level will be an important level to cross. After that, we'll need to pump to new all-time highs, probably getting to that $4.27 trillion level. It's going to be very, very possible. We can do that very, very quickly from where we're currently trading right now. For us to get to new all-time highs, to that crypto market cap will have to rally up by around 87%. And that's very, very possible. That can happen very, very quickly in the cryptocurrency market. And in that rally, expect to see altcoins pumping, expect to see altcoins doing well, because right now, according to the altcoin season index, altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin on a monthly time frame. The last 1 month has seen more than 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is down 14%. Even though we have some altcoins down more than 14% over the last 1 month, we have 75% of them doing better than Bitcoin. And this is a good sign. This is a very, very awesome sign, because from an altcoin month, that's where we eventually get an altcoin season. On the seasonal time frame, that's to see whether Bitcoin has performed better than altcoins over a 3 months period. Bitcoin is still down 29%. A lot of altcoins are down more than 29%. But hopefully we get to an altcoin season very, very soon. But right now, I believe we already in an altcoin month according to altcoin season index, which will help altcoins pump aggressively. If we look at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin making a big move to the downside this week against Ethereum, while Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, pumping to higher values. We easily see a 30 to a 50% move for Ethereum against Bitcoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, guys, even with all the extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, even all the chaos, Bitcoin dominance is still showing us some signs of life. Bitcoin dominance could easily start dumping to gobbling town any moment from now. Bitcoin dominance has slowly been dumping from 66%, where it was in July of 2025. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 58%. I'll not be shocked, guys. Even some few days time, some few weeks time, we see a big crash in Bitcoin dominance. We're all singing Kumbaya as all coins are pumping aggressively, and everybody's asking, is this just a relief rally or is the bull market back? I believe that's what's going to fuel that rally. We're going to see a lot of people hesitant to jump back into the market. The higher it goes, the more the FOMO will drive them to jump back into the market. The higher it goes, the more we see a lot of people skeptical. And when the final bull has capitulated, I believe that's when the rally will come to an end. But right now, there's still room to run. Right now, the bulls and the bears are still battling it out, but you can clearly see the bulls are edging it out, because over the last 24 hours, we have over 80,000 traders that were liquidated for a weekend. That's a big amount. Total liquidation is coming around $341 million, with the single largest liquidation order happening on Hyperliquid. A trader lost $13.3 million on a trade. Again, guys, you want to avoid leverage. There's 3 ways a smart guy can go broke: liquor, leverage, and ladies. If you look at how Bitcoin and Ethereum has performed in Q1 of 2026, Q1 of 2026 has seen Bitcoin lose 23% of its value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is down 33% in Q1 of 2026. Hopefully, we're going to see Ethereum and Bitcoin perform better for the rest of the year. We've seen them have 2 negative months. We're in the new month right now. Ethereum has lost 17% and 19% in the first 2 months of 2026. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is down 10% and 14%. And if you look at the meme coin market, that's one sector we're focusing on. That's one sector we're paying attention to, because, guys, I believe that relief rally is going to come through, and I believe memes are going to pump aggressively when the relief rally comes through. We're going to see meme coins pumping to crazy amounts, to new all-time highs. But right now, the meme coin market is facing the downtime with the cryptocurrency market. The meme coin market, being very, very volatile, has dumped aggressively over the last 30 days, over the last 60 days, over the last 60 days, we just have one meme coin in the top 10 biggest meme coins we have in the cryptocurrency market that is still in the positive. But don't get carried away by the dump, guys. After the dump comes the pump. After the dump, then we can finally see the pump that will take us to the moon. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization have been making improvements over the last 7 days. Bitcoin is up 2%, Ethereum is up 4%, BNB is up 4%, XRP barely moved the last 7 days, Solana is up 6.99%, Cardano is up 3.9%, and we have Dogecoin and Tron having a negative week over the last 7 days. If you look at news stories going around cryptocurrency markets, market participants are still on the edge. Will the war, US, Iran, and Israel war, will it tank the market? Is it going to help pump the markets? We're waiting to see how the market will respond to it over the next few days. But right now, Fed could print money to support US conflict with Iran. That's what Dr. Hayes has to say. Crypto losses hit lowest since March 2025. That's according to Pack Shield. X to label promotional but prohibits crypto promos in EU and UK. Kalshi founder provides updates on Iran. Khamenei market carve out. Bitcoin undervalued relative to gold signals potential rally. Bitcoin has been dumping against gold. We have seen gold rally to new all-time highs over the last few days and the last few weeks, while Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been dumping to Goblin Town. Strategy boosts monthly strike preference dividends to 11.5% for March 2026. Bitcoin traders eye Iran reaction as oil spike raise US 5% inflation risks. Iran has said the Strait of Hormuz is closed, and that singular place accounts for more than 20% of all oil transactions, all oil, 20% of all oil exports in the world go through that straits. So don't be shocked to see oil prices rising over the next few days and the next few weeks. Tokenized gold drives weekly empire signals while AME futures are closed. Hopefully one day the precious metal markets will be opening 24 hours, but right now they close on the weekends, and we saw tokenized gold driving the price to higher values as the US military and Israel military invade Iran. US military used Anthropic in Iran strike despite banned by Trump. Interesting. Bitcoin to recover $68,000 following the death of Iran's supreme leader. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. This week is going to be full of news about war, stories about escalation, the world coming to an end, World War III. But hopefully, at the end of it, crypto still stays. Hopefully, at the end of it, there's light at the end of the tunnel. We are pumping to the moon, well, singing Kumbaya. Tell me which altcoins you're buying. How high do you see Bitcoin going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.